Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect PayPal to eBay for selling. First, ensure you have both an active eBay seller account and a verified PayPal account. This connection simplifies transaction management, allowing buyers to pay you seamlessly. We will walk through the process step by step, ensuring your selling experience is smooth and secure. It only takes a few minutes to complete this important setup. After logging into your eBay account, find the My eBay link, typically located in the top right corner of the page. Click on it, and then select Account Settings from the subsequent drop-down menu. Once you are on the Account Settings page, carefully look for the Payment Options or PayPal Account section. This is where you will initiate the linking process, ensuring everything is set up correctly for your sales. Upon finding the PayPal Account section in your eBay settings, click the button that says Link My PayPal Account. This action will securely redirect you to the official PayPal website in a new window. Here, you will enter your PayPal login credentials, including your email address and password, to authenticate your account. After logging in, you must grant permission for eBay to process payments via this linked PayPal account, confirming your choice. Once you have successfully authorized the connection on PayPal's site, you will automatically return to your eBay account. Here, you should see a clear confirmation message stating that your PayPal account is now officially linked. Additionally, always check your email inbox for a confirmation from PayPal, which serves as an extra layer of verification. This confirms your PayPal account is ready to receive payments for all your eBay sales, giving you peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.